Alright, today's video is readdressing this generator I found yesterday. It's a Sportsman 7,000 watt generator, 6,000 watt uh, running power. I picked this up yesterday by one of the businesses and everything. They set it out. So something wrong with it. I figured out yesterday what's wrong with it off the video I posted yesterday. I lost audio. Basically, I was saying that I'm gonna clean the bowl. I'm gonna clean this bowl. I'm gonna clean the fuel line bowl. I might throw a filter in there. Um, I started it yesterday with starter fluid and it cranks, it runs. I hooked up a battery. Right here, and I like it one just turn over and everything. Again, no power running, but I know the starters work. I know the starter working and everything. I hooked up the battery. Um, I gotta clean it. I want to keep it, but having issues with this warehouse I'm in. Share the warehouse with the property management here, and maintenance guy said something about this one. That one is the other maintenance guy. He decided he wanted to keep this one, got out of a unit. And said something about my pressure washer sitting over there. So the big bosses might say something about it. So I'm gonna have to take this pressure washer home. I'm gonna see if I can try to keep it. I gotta get rid of this TV, that TV. Can't keep the propane tank. I gotta try to straighten up that stuff some more. But back to the generator, it works. I just gotta clean that bowl out so I get time. My extension cords, I gotta cut them down, take the outside coating off of it and everything, put the wires with the wire pile. My aluminum stash is good as long as I keep the cover on there. But I got all of this aluminum to put in there. I got this to put in there, and the last few strips of aluminum. I gotta finish. I'm just breaking them and bending them so they can fit in here. I might end up running to the junkyard with this aluminum. Now my copper, I might move into a bigger bin and say I got all of this copper in here. I might just move it to a different bin so I can shorten how many buckets I got over here. I still got to cut up this motor, my wire bucket, more copper, and this came off that plastic welder. I gotta get my snap ring pliers so I can take the metal rods out of it. Cause this whole block is cast aluminum. This is cast aluminum. The welder, the plastic welder head is cast aluminum, but it got a motor at the back of it, so I gotta get that off of there too. Battery, I'm probably gonna put that battery on that bottom shelf so it's out of view. Pretty much it. We need a new air compressor because this air compressor on this last leg, the motor pretty much shot out of it and it runs to 50 psi before it cut off because the motor is bad. So that's on today's order. I probably won't even go out there and work today. I'm gonna try to strip these cords, put the rest of the aluminum and the I gotta cut up that big piece because ain't no bend in it. That's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm here getting ready to clean out this this bowl, this carburetor bowl and everything. And I believe the whole thing gonna drop down. but I don't feel like it because I have to get another socket, and I don't think the crescent wrench gonna be able to twist with a little bit more space up under there. So I'm gonna try to just shoot some carb cleaner down there, shoot the carb cleaner down in it, and crank it to see if it'll work, and see if it's enough to run through. I'm gonna take that line off of there. I'm gonna take this line off, and I'm gonna take the bowl. I'm gonna take that bowl. I'm gonna take that bowl off the fuel line to see what's going on. See if any deposits or anything in there.